Hey, what's going on, guys? Just wanted to show you guys a really easy Forex crypto stock trading strategy based off of our legacy algo and our smart money concepts indicator for TradingView. I got the NASDAQ here pulled up. We have it on the 10 minute, but you can go to the 5 minute, whichever one, time frame. If you guys are scalpers, swing traders, whatever the case may be, it works on any time frame. So we could, literally start with the 10 minute. I just kind of show you guys an example, but here on the 10 minute, we got these the order block here in the green, and then we got this red bearish order block zone up here to the top. Literally, all you would do is wait for a buy signal on the order block zone, and then allow the entry and take profits to essentially populate on the screen, and then just take that trade. Literally that simple, or vice versa, even with these shorts. So if we go to replay mode, just to kind of show you guys what happened, we have these shorts called here at that order block zone, and I'll play it for you guys. As you can see, we have the entry point, take profits here. Again, these are like 1-to-1s, 2-to-1, 3-to-1 risk to reward opportunities. But again, it's good to take profits at zones. Just because price can do anything at those areas, especially an order block or demand zone, or supply zone. Price can do anything, so it's always good to always take profits. But let's see how it played out. As you know, it was like let me see here. Yeah, it's close to TP1, but again, you have the demand area, but you can do that for all time frames. You can see the shorts played out, these longs played out, these shorts played out, these longs played out, and one of the strategies that we teach at Legacy Algo is essentially wait for a buy or sell signal to populate, and then wait for the following candle to break above for longs or break below for shorts to enter into the markets, which is a 90% win rate, especially on NASDAQ. Or any type of pair that has enough volume. If you trade in the New York session, London session, Asian session, you're going to catch a lot of good moves, especially with our algorithm, because it takes in all of the data on all of the all the smaller time frames to give you guys, to allow you to see when the smart money, when liquidity, when momentum's coming to the market, so you can trade with the smart money versus getting trapped and tricked like a lot of retail traders happen to have happened to them, because they don't have specific tools like this algorithm to actually help prevent that from happening. So it's definitely a great tool to utilize and confluence with your own technical analysis. It's definitely, in my opinion, going to help you guys increase your win rate insanely. So let's just back test. We got these shorts called, we got these longs. As you can see, there's no volume. So when the market's consolidating, you want to kind of stay clear from the markets, just because, us traders, we make our money when in times of liquidity, times of volatility. So, as you can see here, it was just choppy. So in a sideways market, a consolidating market, it's not really the best times to trade. But as you can see, once we had this breakout, we even had this breakout candle alert us that the markets are looking to break out. It's breaking out of the zone. And you have this huge, let's see how many points this was. Just 1 second. Where is it at? All right, and let's see here. That was over 261 points. And I believe this was around 9:30. So this is around New York Open. And this is the time I personally trade, what we post in our group. So that was a huge move there. And you can see this trend indicator. It tells you that the overall market is trending down. So you kind of only want to look for short signals, and then vice versa. If it's a long signal, you want to look for buys. But essentially, you guys can scroll back and see consolidating. But as you know here, we were able to catch this move as well. This is a 9:30 market open move. We had this short signal. Stops were generated right above. And we had this huge, I think this was freaking, let me see, over almost 700 points, which is crazy. If you guys want to see the replay mode really quickly, just to kind of show you how it played out. Let me see here. play. So we had these longs called right around 740, and then we had the shorts called right around 9:30. So we enter on the breaks below, and our stops are above here. So if you want to mark it out really quickly so you guys can see, we have our stops up here. Take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3. So we'll just mark these zones out and see how the trade played out essentially in real time. So yeah, we had that bearish candle. As you can see, most traders more than likely bought thinking the market was going to continue up and shoot to the top, and as you can see, it didn't, especially with this huge rejection in this pin bar. The reason we were able to not get trapped into longs is because we never had a long signal called. So therefore, the momentum wasn't enough to really take us to the upside. So therefore, we were able to prevent not only getting trapped, keeping our stop loss in place, but also we're able to look to become a winning trade in this case. So let's see here. Hit TP2 and TP3. Bam. So yeah, just like that, over 700 points. And we even caught the retracement here too as well, because as you can see, it's still bearish. These long signals, you can take a quick scalp, but you really don't want to be trading against the trend, especially if the overall momentum is bearish. So especially after a move like that, it's very hard to look to even try to take any type of buys. As you can see, that's why the markets aren't really doing the most and doing the best as far as the upside is concerned. But consolidating all throughout Asian, and then we're coming back into New York session here. We got these shorts called again at this order block zone. So you want to be careful of any signals in these areas, especially if it's a sell signal, just because of the demand that's in those areas. But still consolidating. We got these longs in demand area, which is good, but you need volume to really kind of take price where you want to go and to make the most out of your trade. So it's just consolidating. We have these longs break aboves, and now the market's trending up, so buys definitely look good, especially with the breakout here above. Shorts again, and then bam, we broke the order block. We're continuing down. We had this breakout candle called here, so you could see that it's still bearish. You have this obviously this false signal, this buy signal, but it's in a bearish trend, so you kind of only want to look for shorts. So let's continue to see what happens here. Markets is trending a little bit more bullish as well. Shorts are called. So yeah, you're just really looking for volume, trying to wait for volume. It's coming back into this order block zone. Let me give you guys a better example. Let me go ahead and stop this really quickly just to kind of show you guys. I mean, it's an amazing strategy, especially with your own technical analysis. It's going to help you guys, with your win rates. But if you look at times of liquidity, this is essentially the London session over here. We have this on the 10-minute, but if you guys understand everything's fractal, if you guys go to like the minute, for example, in this area, let's see if it's gonna show me. No, it's not. So let me just do it like this. So yeah, you can use on one screen, you can have your minute and your 5-minute. On the other screen, you can have your higher time frames. Obviously, we do top-down analysis, try to trade with the overall trend of the markets, momentum, that kind of thing, supply and demand zones. And we use smart money concepts, but this algorithm has not only the smart money concepts tied into it, but it also allows you to see like the breakout candles, things of that nature. So breaks the market structure. And we're constantly updating the algorithm as well to improve the, overall, ease to understanding the markets and, optimize everything. We do have a backtester tool as well. So you can backtest everything, thousands of trades through our backtester tool for TradingView. So you guys can see exactly the win rates, all that kind of good stuff. But yeah, as you can see, when the market's trending down, look for shorts. So like short position. The long didn't play out because the market's trending down. You got another short, good opportunity to get in, another good opportunity to get in. And not only did this is another short position, but you also had the breakout candle alert. And this is at 9:30. So as you can see, this is the 9:30 market open. That's when we trade, when volume comes into the market. The break belows, and then bam, just had this whole entire move just trail all the way down. So if you guys want an amazing 90% plus win rate, this works for US 30, gold, Bitcoin, I mean, all volatile pairs. Just go ahead and check out Legacy Algo. You can go to legacyalgo.com, go to link in our bio. We have a free trading course on smart money concepts, on algo trading, and just our specific 90% plus win rate strategy that, we have over 400 plus members in our Discord and Telegram group who follow it. And, we all trade in there, and it's helped so many people. I mean, this definitely helps simplify your trading and investing, you know what I mean? And it works on all time frames. Like, for example, we go to the daily. We have, let me see here. We have this this bullish order block zone, and then we also have these bearish order block zones. We also have, as you can see, the buy positions here. So we have this buy. Again, you want to wait for candles to, break above, that kind of thing. But we also have this entry and take profit functionality. So if you just follow the AI stop loss and take profit, as long as you don't get an opposite signal in the opposite direction, then even if that's the case and the higher time frames are going in your direction, then you'll be fine. But in this scenario, as you can see, it's very accurate. It's definitely designed to allow you to know when to get in and when to get out. Even on the 4 hourly, we had this breakout candle right here. We got alerted, and then we had this short signal as well. And it was breaking market structure. As you can see, this bearish MSB is a bearish market structure, meaning that we're breaking down. And as you can see, we're continuing down with the downtrend, and vice versa for the market structure is the bullish market structure. We're just continuing up, buys when it's green, buys, so on and so forth. So you guys can check this out free for 7 days for yourself, see how accurate it is. You guys can, utilize our back testing software, our free course, yeah, our goal is to really just empower traders to succeed. We're all tradepreneurs at the end of the day, so we just want to help create the best tools for trading, best softwares to make the most successful traders that can be. We also have our own, prop firm that we'd love to fund you guys, up to $2 million or more. Show you guys our strategy with other prop firms, so you guys can actually, raise millions and millions of dollars and trade from one account. With our specific strategy, we also talk about asymmetric compounding, to where you guys can literally pass these challenges within 3 trades if you wanted to. So there's just so much free knowledge in our course. Go to legacyalgo.com. Please subscribe if you guys like this conversation and you guys enjoy learning more and more about algo trading, smart money concepts, different softwares. We also are automating this whole entire process through our robots that we will allow you guys to also have access to as well if you guys want hands-free trading. You just wanted to literally, you guys don't have, use a lot of emotions, you over risk, you over trade, that kind of thing. You can't be consistent. Robots can definitely help you when it comes to that. So please subscribe, and until next time, thanks.